Please do subscribe and tap on the bell icon for new notifications. Hi, this is Krishna. Welcome back to Mom and Daughter series. Today in this video I am going to show you mom's top. These are the top measurements. First, fold the fabric into half with 2 folds with 4 layers. Start marking from the folded side of the fabric. Mark shoulder as 13 inches, armhole as 6.5 inches. Mark 1/4 part of the chest round, which is 9 inches. 2 inch for seaming allowance. At 14 inches, mark 1/4 part of the waist round, which is 8.5 inches. 2 inch for seaming allowance. Now at 20 inches, mark 1/4 part of the hip round, which is 10 inches. 1 inch for seaming allowance. These measurements are different from person to the person, depends upon their height and physique. As per your requirement, you can customize the measurement. Now connect the points from chest to waist, waist to hip. Now mark 3/4 inch and 1 inch inwards and draw armhole curves for the front and back panels. For this I am going to stitch boat neck, so mark neck width as 4 inches, neck deep as 3.5 inches. Now draw boat shape neck with the help of the French curve. Now from the top, mark it 6.5 inches, how I am showing in this video. Now again mark 1 inch down next to the neck deep and give shape from this point as I am showing. Now trim on the marked lines. Total length of my top is 38 inches. Here I has taken 33 inches. Rest 5 inches I am going to attach yellow color fabric at the bottom. Now separate both front and back panels of the top. Take the front panel and trim on the marked line. This piece is very important, keep it aside. Place this green color fabric on this yellow color fabric. Now transform this green color fabric to yellow fabric with 1/2 inch seaming allowance. Now trim on this marked line. Here fabric is with 2 fold with 4 layers. Now we will see sleeves part. Here I am taking 3/4 sleeves. Total length of my sleeves is 16 inches. Here I am taking 14 inches. 2 inches I am going to attach green color fabric. Now from the top mark 3 inches down. Take width as 9 inches. Now draw straight line at 16 inches and 13 inches. Now connect the points from one edge to the other edge, how I am showing. Now mark 2 inches from open side towards to the closed side. Now measure the length from the corner to the marked point and take the midpoint. And finally give the shape as I am showing. If you have any doubt whether the sleeves has come in a perfect shape or not, in this way you can do cross check before doing cutting. Now trim on the marked lines. This part comes to the front panel of the sleeves, this part comes to the back panel of the sleeves. Now I will give slight shape to the front panel of the sleeves. Now drafting and cutting is completed. Now we will see how to stitch. Take 1.5 inches bias strip. Place this piping cord at 1/4 inch and fold the fabric as I am showing and give top stitch. When you are stitching piping, make sure use zip footer or single footer. Now this is ready. This one will attach to the yoke part. Take the front panel of the yoke part. Mark 1/4 inch. Here in this video, I'll show two different ways of piping. This one I'll place it on this marked line and give top stretch. Now take the other layer of the yoke part, place it on this piping line and give top stretch. Now turn the fabric towards to the right side and give top stretch. Now take this green color fabric which I have told you to keep it aside. Place this green color fabric on this yellow color fabric and give markings as I am showing. Now draw the neckline with 4 inches neck width and 3.5 inches as neck deep. Now trim on this marked line and give top stretch. this neckline with this green color piping. Place the both fabric and piping right and right and give top stitch. Now give slight notches on the yellow color fabric and turn this piping towards to the wrong side and give top stitch. While you are stretching piping, make sure use zip or single footer. Now for the front panel yoke is ready. In the same way, give piping to the bottom part. Now give slight notches only to the green color fabric. Now turn this piping towards to the wrong side and give top stitch. Left raw edges I am going to conceal with overlock. Now place this yoke onto the bottom part and secure it with pins so that fabric will not move here and there when I give top stitch. Now give top stitch. Now front panel of the kurti is ready. Now we will see back panel of the kurti. Now for the neckline, mark neck width as 4 inches, neck deep as 3.5 inches. Now trim on this marked line and conceal this neckline using bias strip. Now attach both front and back panels of the kurti. Now we will see the sleeves part. Here I am attaching green color fabric to this yellow color fabric, placing both wrong side and giving top stitch. Now I will turn this green color fabric towards to the right side and give top stitch. Now attach this 6 inches yellow color fabric at the bottom for the kurti. Now kurti is almost all completed. Place the both panels right and right and give top stitch with 1.5 inch seaming allowance. Finally, I'm stitching cuts. Now kurti is ready. Final output will be like this. Soon I will upload kids dress. I hope you all liked it. Please do share, subscribe and like, and give your valuable comments in the comment section, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for new updates.